Hey, what's going on, guys? Thought I'd make this video just to show you some of thought I'd show you some of the stupid things that go on in my house in the evening. And nothing happened. No lights, no nothing. I'm willing to bet it doesn't even work. I don't think this should be plugged into the wall, but it's gonna happen anyway, whether you like it or not. It's actually lighting up. Oh, what if my house gets the blue screen? So it's actually lighting up. Maybe I can access some hidden files in my wall. Oh wait, we already tried that. The third and final thing that I'm going to be sticking in this outlet